Morning guys, so it's Saturday morning at Matsuri. You can see it's jam-packed here. Most cars I've ever seen in an event. My trailer set up. Skoda pulled perfectly, first time towing. Right, we've signed on, got all the stickers on the car, so we're just going for driver's briefing and then we'll be out. So guys, we've had a driver's brief, signed all the disclaimers and that. So sun strip is on, some shape, quick job, so it's all ripples, but I don't really care. We got the numbers on the back, and that's all the requirements really that they want on a car. So gonna do a little pit walk now and see what other cars are here. So this is obviously my car. We've got Brad's. That's Nathan's S14. That's also Nathan's MX-5. And this is the Garage 8 boys who were with us also. All the MX-5s. Some really nice A86s. My favourite one's the white one. Paint on this thing is absolutely insane. A nice downturn on it. I don't know if you can see. Really nice. And it's DB paint, and that's who, after fabrication, I'm having him give me a quote to paint my car. I've seen a few cars that he's done now. And the paint is, obviously these cars are wet, it's a bit hard to tell, but his paint work is outstanding. Nice. It's all S chassis stuff. That's my main toolies. I don't know where he is. That's the main map.
Brady Square. Oh, got my YouTube channel, man.
That's Matt. What's this? That's a Corolla that I've never seen before. Really nice. It's another cool Corolla. You've probably seen it everywhere on the internet. It's a mad looking S13. It looks like a V8 with a look at that intake. We've got the low origin boys. More S14s. IS200. Bit of retro. Nice. So when I come in the future, we gotta get ourselves one of these garages. Absolutely amazing tyre machines. A look of it. Or E30 and the Ford Escort. I'm not sure what type because I'm not fully into my Ford, so I don't really know the model. I think that's the Laurel. I might be wrong. So there's loads more here guys, but we'll be driving shortly, so I want to go and get some food and that before we go out on track. I didn't know Huxley's here, so it was nice to have a chat with him because I've talked to him obviously because of my 15s booked in with him, but it's nice to actually meet people in person. So right, I'm going to go back, have some food and drink and get ready to go on track.
That way, yeah, perfect. Yeah. Right guys, this is the tollgate track. And as always, filming my first run. I'm going to do a sighting lap. Never been here before. First elevation changes I've ever come across as a, you know, driving a drift car. And Brad's next to me. this corner so I don't end up in the sea. Around here though, this track is getting mental. We stop here. Awesome. Right guys. Doing a little bit hotter now, with a little bit of heat in the car. Nice S14. So guys, we're on the hairpin track now, or as you can see that little compact in front of me there. Right guys, this is my first time on the main track, so this is the fast one. Brad's following me, so we just go to the sighting lap. And it looks very, very fast. There's a lot of people watching as well. Right guys, we're stopping for an hour for lunch now. Show you these tyres, these land snails. I don't know if you can see with the light, but that's with about 6-7 laps toge, 2 on the main track and a couple on the hairpin. So I'd highly recommend these land snails at the moment. I've ended up airing them up to 50 psi and they seem to be good. No issues with them gripping up too much and the clutch slipping. So we're going to have lunch now and then we'll be back on the track. Right, back on the talkie now. Follow that. so been waiting in queue because there was a red flag. Went to start the car, it's just, that's all it's doing. So I think I've depleted the battery with the fans on. So we're about to get shamefully taken off track. Back on, use this guy to bump it. Perfect.
Hey guys, so last clip you would have seen was me failing. I've been towed off track on this. Turns out the alternator is packed in, so that's the end of my day, unfortunately. That was at 3, and they stopped drifting at 5, so almost on a full day. It's not too bad. So we're all loaded up, as you can see, and bit of fair drive back now. Awesome day. Highly recommend coming here. The 3 tracks, as you'll see, are epic, and just looking forward to getting this sorted and getting back out in the car. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.